Hey, what's up, YouTube? This your boy Jay. I just installed one subwoofer, that CD player right there, the tune knob, well, the bass knob. I'm sorry about that. Oh shoot, hold up. I gotta take out of my tire. These speakers right here, I gotta install these. I bought these off of Amazon for like $28. Not bad. I'm putting them in the doors. This amplifier, the Boss amplifier, I got this off Amazon also. I got it like in the bundle with the Boss Sub 12 for like $125 off Amazon. That's my setup right there. Until I get my drill in the mail, and I'm gonna drill it right there on the side. But that's my sub. That's my Boss sub. That's the setup. That box right there, I got that off of I got that from Best Buy. That Kenwood also, I got that from Best Buy. I'm waiting on my box in the mail. Then I'm gonna install the second 12. So therefore I have two sub 12s in the back. But yeah, I know it's been a minute, YouTube. But you know, I got more on the way that I'm gonna do. When I install the rest, I'm gonna upload the video. And I got this right here also from off of Amazon. A car vacuum, you know, if y'all guys looking for one. But that's a good spot, Amazon. But if anybody got a question, you know, anything or how to hook up the amps, amplifier, speaker, let me know. Subscribe and like, share, please, and I will do the same.